Alright, my friend, so start by introducing yourself, your role on the project, and some of the features you contributed to.
Alright, I'm Jessna Rodriguez. I was one of the main programmers on this project, and I did a lot of the UI design stuff. I implemented that, and my favorite thing that I implemented was the ability to have the colors change dynamically with the schools.
My name is Rena Hall. I was the project manager for Beam Tours on the last few main months of development. Some of the main features I worked on was the augmented reality for iOS and the integration of Unity for the Android version of the app.
I'm Aaron Rockwitz, and I was part of the art team for the Beam Tours app. I contributed a lot of visual development and polished illustration work for the augmented reality artifacts.
Beam Tours is an app that allows you to take a customized tour as a group or as an individual. So if you're a family visiting on the weekend, you can come and take a tour without having to talk to admissions. And it also has lots of other features like contacting a professor, tutoring, AR capabilities. It's got a wide range of uses.
What are some of the core features of Beam Tours? And that's kind of walking through like the tour section, the tutoring section, just quick summaries.
So some of the key main features of Beam Tours is obviously touring. You're able to tour the campus by yourself or with a group. You're able to contact heads of departments if you have questions about the major, more information you want to know. If there's a tutoring session, any tutors in the area who are signed up with the app will get a notification whenever you ask a question. And then there's the augmented reality, which basically assists the touring part to give you a better idea of the places that you can't really go into.
What do the AR artifacts add to the overall experience?
I think what we were really hoping the AR would add to the experience of using the app is a lot of user engagement and excitement. We wanted to get all kinds of users excited to use the app, whether they're students, potential students, or just interested in BSU. We really wanted them to get excited to come down to campus and check out some of the cool things that we made with the augmented reality portion. We think it really encourages people to explore campus as well. I think that my favorite artifact that we worked on for the AR was the Sawtooth Dorm one. One of the cool things that you can kind of utilize with AR is it can solve a problem that people coming to CBSU could potentially experience, which is that they can't access a building. That's what we would hope to do with the Sawtooth Dorm, is you could actually stand in front of the dorm outside and you can pull up a 3D layout of what the inside of the rooms would look like with the different layouts. We included some different decorations and some different types of rooms that are in the dorms. So yeah, that artifact turned out really, really cool.
What future features will be added to make the campus more accessible and foster its community?
Nothing is concrete as of right now, but plans are in the works to use Bluetooth beacons to guide people who may be visually disabled through parts of buildings so that they're able to get safely to their class without any more assistance besides the app.
How can Beam Tours provide a sense of community for Boise State students?
I would say Beam Tours creates a sense of community. Well, not just a sense of community, but actually creates that community because it gets people engaged in events that are happening on campus.